Welcome back guys in the Corel X7 training. In this lecture we'll talk about transparency tool and eyedropper tool here in Corel. So I will just add a rectangle here and we'll add a color to it. So this is a color which is called a solid color, and you cannot see anything behind this box or this color. You cannot see the background or any object behind this color. But if we use this tool, transparency tool, it can make this object transparent a little bit. Just you need to click the border or inside this anywhere. You just click and you can just withdraw the transparency. You can change the position of this transparency from here or from here. Just click this arrow. You can move it anywhere you want. So this is now, if you want to add some transparency, you can add now. If you make it 100%, there will be no picture, or no rectangle. But you make it a little bit like 50%, so you can clearly see the background. That's mean we have added some transparency to this object. Before we could not see anything behind this object, or we could not see the background, but now we can see because we have added transparency to this object, and we can manage or control the transparency using this tool. We can increase or decrease the points. This simple transparency tool will do this job. Now the next tool is color eyedropper tool. This tool is always used for selecting a color and putting that color or copying that color to another object. For example, I will go to file menu and will import a picture from my computer. For example, I have a picture. I will click import option, not export. So I will add a picture from my, I will just import a picture from my computer to Corel, this one for example. So it has different colors. This picture has different colors. So if I don't have that color in this color box, then I can just copy that color to any object I want. For example, we'll use this color eyedropper tool. We'll click it and I can select any color from this picture or from any object that is here. We just click this area and now you can see we have the color fill option on the pointer. Now I can withdraw that into any object like this one, or if I create one more, for example this one, and this one. So once again select color eyedropper tool, and I will just click this option, this color. I can put this to this or anywhere I want. So this option is simply color eyedropper tool is to simply select a color from an object and just fill or insert that color into another object. That is as simple as that. If you don't have that color in your color box, you can pick that color from anywhere. So these two options, the transparency tool and this color eyedropper tools, are the same, and you can see their properties here. The another one, if you want to add color from 2 areas, or if you want to add color from 5 areas, you can select them. If you want to add color from your desktop, you can select this option. So basically very simple tool. I just wanted to tell you about this. Now in next last lecture of this section, we will discuss these two tools, interactive fill tool and this smart fill tool. After that we will close this section and we will go further with some projects.